Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn half of the topic which we have left yesterday. Till where we have completed, till nematoda we have completed over here. We were discussing nematoda. Nematoda was roundworm. In that, the examples ascaris roundworm. We have told if we eat junk food, more junk food, we are going to get our roundworm in our alimentary canal system. Okay. One point I want to say, one thing I want to say that children, of this all I'm going to give you the PDFs. Yes, PDFs I'm going to give PDF each and every with the photo for your explain for your information of kind. Okay, later I'll give. I'm preparing that. Later I'm going to give that. Okay, before that we are going to learn this. Okay. Now today's our topic is roundworm. What yesterday we'll recover about nematoda first. What is nematoda? It is triploblastic, showing bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means it is in parasitic in nature. Means he is going to live in our body also, and he is going to harm our body also like that. Body is cylindrical, narrow, elongated, and unsegmented. Okay, and pseudocolium is present and alimentary canal is found. That means if we eat junk foods more in alimentary canal, our this roundworm is going to come. Respiratory system, circulatory system, and skeleton system is absent in their body. Okay, children, sexual reproduction occurs. Okay, example we have told ascaris roundworm. Which area also we can take? Which area? In the PDF which I'm going to give I'm going to give you the three example definitely. Okay, you can see what are the pictures. Now our next topic is Annelida. In Annelida, earthworm is going to come. Okay, in Annelida, earthworm. Okay, children, Annelida is another name of earthworm. They are fresh marine water animals. Earthworm, anytime you have seen earthworm outside, they live, but more times 90% they live in marine aquatic water. Species are triploblastic, exhibit bilateral symmetry. We can cut them also in bilateral symmetry and true body cavity present. Okay, organ symmetry. Children, one of the students have asked me in the comment that the student want what is binary fusion. Okay, I'll explain you what is binary fusion. Is binary fusion in one topic I have explained itself. What is binary fusion? I'm going to explain. Wait. In Protesta, I told about binary fusion. About binary fusion, I told now. One student have comment B that what is binary fusion. Binary fusion is nothing but you take an example of our maybe only. It is shapeless structure. Okay, if we cut amoeba from this way, the amoeba is going to form its structure by its elongated children like that. Like lizard, you can take an example of lizard. If we cut its tail, automatically it will form children. With that only they can alive. That only for the small, they're going to big like that. Okay, am I clear? We'll come to our next topic. Yes, we was discussing Annelida. Annelida, they are fresh marine water species, are triploblastic, exhibit and bilateral symmetry and true body cavity present, and organ system level organization. They have children. Okay, and body is segmented with cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape I have told no. How it is cylindrical shape? In cylindrical only. Like that. It is segmented. Not is it is unsegmented? No. Its body is proper. Unsegmented, the body is not proper. Okay. Our earthworm is proper now. Excretion is through nephridia. Then over here, excretion, they excrete through nephridia. In humans, we excrete through nephron. In 10th class, you will be going to learn in the next class about nephron. What is nephron? With the help of nephron only, we humans are going to secrete our excretion. Okay. In our earthworm, nephridia is here. Okay. Blood flows within the closed vessels and contain hemoglobin. Okay. They have children. Blood flow within closed. Inside only the blood is going to flow, and the vessels are going to contain hemoglobin. Okay, children. For this, our examples are earthworm and leeches. You know leeches? Leeches are like that, only a cylindrical shape, like that, like a shape that will become. That are leeches. Okay, children. Now the next topic is, have you understood Annelida properly? Okay, in the 4 marks, children, in the essay 1, I need in the examination essay 2, they are going to ask you write about Nematoda and Annelida, write about Platyhelminthes and Phylum Protista, like that. Okay. Now the next topic is Arthropoda. Arthropoda. What is meaning by Arthropoda? Arthropoda meaning is joint legs. Understand, children? Joint legs. For the cockroach, have you seen its legs? With the help of, they have joint legs. For our prawn also, our scorpion also. It is, children, cockroach, scorpion, prawn. Mostly we don't see prawns over here. Scorpion we see, or cockroach we see. Prawn doesn't. But example we are going to take. Okay. Arthropoda means joint leg, children. Organism are triploblastic. We have learned triploblastic before only, and exhibit bilateral symmetry. For them also we can cut from bilateral symmetry. For cockroach also, for prawn also, for scorpion also. Okay. Body is divided into head, thorax, abdomen. Okay, children. For head for cockroach, thorax for scorpion, and abdomen for prawn. Okay, they have joint legs and ingenious chinteneous. It is not ingenious, chinteneous exoskeleton, meiotic vision. For meiotic vision, the cockroach can see in dark also, like meiotic vision. Okay, ingenious for our scorpion and exoskeleton for our it's exoskeleton for our scorpion, and our chinteneous our exoskeleton for our scorpion, chinteneous for our prawn. Okay. And children, our next in this we are going to learn respiration through the general body and surface. They have body surface, gills, trachea, or book lungs. Book lungs, you know, like book shaped lungs will be there in the prawn, children, and gills will be present in those organisms. Okay. Homuncule is filled with the body. Which blood, children? Homuncule. Excretion by Malpighian tubes. In the excretion, yeah, children. Excretion, we do our by our nematoda. Nephron. Sorry. They excrete through Malpighian tubes. Malpighian body. In the 10th class, we will be learning Malpighian body, Malpighian lungs, like that. Okay. In the next class, for 9th, it is enough for you. Reproduction, separate and fertilization internal and undergoes metamorphosis. Okay, children, metamorphosis, small larva. You know butterfly, children. In the 8th or 7th class, you had to learned metamorphosis, small larva. The egg is going to come, then then our butterfly, you can take the example of butterfly. First lava will be going to come, then its body, the butterfly wings, then able to fly, like that, children. For our reproduction, separate means, children, for example, that means male cockroach will be there, female cockroach also will be there, like we can understand. Okay, internal undergoes, children. Okay, our orthopoda is totally completed. What are the examples? What we have told example: scorpion, cockroach, prawn. I can't write over here, the space is not there. You'll get understanding. Our next is mollusca and echinodermata. By this, I am going to end my topic over here. Our this topic, our classification of plants will be, animals will be, and our next topic will be vertebrata table. In the next class, I'm going to explain with a fresh topic. Okay, you'll be able to enjoy in my class. Okay, mollusca, children. It is snail, children. It is starfish. Snail. Okay, in mollusca, snail will be going to come. Children, what is mean of mollusca? Mollusca is nothing but soft body. In 1 mark, they'll be asking what is mean by mollusca. Means you should say the body is a soft nature, soft body. Example, you can give us a snail. Okay, snail is a soft body. Okay, we'll learn now. They are mostly marine but live on earth, fresh water. Okay, children, they are marine, live in fresh earth, fresh water. Body is unsegmented. Body is unsegmented, no? And triploblastic. They have hard stuff on the body, children. Hard stuff. Oh, you're feeling skeleton shape over here, like that is going to be present over there, no? That is hard stuff, children. That is exoskeleton, which is hard shell. Is present in it. It is made up of calcium carbonate, children. Okay, it is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, and shell is shell will be, the snail is going to go inside the shell when the snail feels he is in danger. He or she is in danger. Okay, in snail also, he and she will be present, children, male and female. Don't worry. Okay, children, during danger they are going to go into the shell. Body is divided into head, muscular, foot, and dorsal limbs. Dorsal limbs, children, means, you know, dorsal limbs. In the 10th class we'll be learning dorsal limb, dorsal cells. Okay, okay. And children, in this, respiration is through gills and scinedia, open blood fold. In that, children, our in that close inside the blood is going to flow, and for them outside the blood is going to flow, like that, children. Open and close bloods flow is. And children, you'll be thinking why the color of snail or blood is blue in color. Why? In the next class, you will be commenting me that you should get me the reason. In the 8th standard only you have learned this. You should say me. Okay, for you the homework, that is. Okay, blue in color, snail blood. Okay, you should tell me in the comment section. In the next class, we are going to discuss this topic. If you don't say the answer, I'm going to say in the next class. Okay, don't worry. No one will be commenting. I knew that, but I should give a chance. Okay, children, blood. Our next topic is, before learning this topic, we'll learn last one topic about one thing about our snail. Reproduction are usually separate in male and female. That's all. Okay, separate. Example, snail you can give. Now our next topic is echinodermata. You know, echinodermata. So the ninth one also is there. Chordata. I forgot to right away, but I'm going to explain you clearly. Don't worry about that. Echinodermata. Children, echinodermata is compromises of marine with star shaped and spherical or elongated body. Elongated body. You can see elongated like like a star shape. Okay, elongated and triploblastic with no unsegmented. They have segmented children, segmented, no unsegmented. You can't say unsegmented over here. Okay, body cavity into water vascular system with tube pit. Okay, what I'm repeating, children, you can write in my notes, children, but also I'm going to give you this PDFs. Don't worry, by next week the PDFs are going to be ready. I'm going to give you the video link. Okay, any of the video link. Okay, go and take, otherwise I'll make a video of that PDFs. Okay, X-ray system absent and nervous system primitive. Okay, children, example starfish our. Okay, now our next topic is chordata. Simply you are going to learn, children. Chordata, children, animal that possesses to be motochord. Motochord. What is motochord? Children, okay. Now then, notochord, children. Notochord is nothing but a long rod-like support, children. In the textbook, you'll be having a whale-like structure over here. I'll be drawing. The whale-like structure will be there. It is going to have this any kind of, you'll be in your textbook page number 64. See that and see this whale-like structure will be over present. I don't got that picture because I didn't paste over here. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, in the PDF, but I'm going to mention. Okay, don't worry. Notochord is nothing but long rod-like structure. In that whale, a type of rod-like structure will be present. Rod-like structure will be present. A supportive structure to run along with the animal, separating the nervous tissue from their gut. Over here, gut will be present. Gut. Okay, so on gut. Like our neck, we have the like that over that. We're going to having a gut. Okay, children. Children, our rod-like structure, we have to rod over here. When the doctor use rod, children, whenever you when you get more injury for that, the doctor is going to take a rod and put over there. Now, like that only for our whale, the notochord whale, rod-like structure in the back. We have backbone, children. There, the rod is going to be with the help that only the whale is going to notochord is chordata is going to run like that is going to run fast with the help of the rod, children. Okay, am I clear, children, for that? Now completely over. Okay, children, completely our classification of plants is completely finished. Don't worry, you are thinking that the chapter is finished. Don't worry, chapter is not finished till now. Our one more topic is there, question answers discussion is there, more is there. Okay, don't worry. Okay, for today's homework, 2 homeworks I have given. Over here, 1 homework is there and 1 homework was blue whale. I think I should say this. You will be not only one homework is enough for you. Children, I'll say you the blue color of snail now only. I don't know. Most of the students will be not saying. Okay. Children, our snail blue color, blood of blue color because of hemoglobin. That's all. In the 1 mark, they are going to ask compulsory, children. You will be not able to answer that. That is a simple questions. Children, in the organism, all types of animals blood is in red color. For the humans also, children, but our snail because of color is in blue in color because of hemoglobin, children. Am I clear? Now our homework, after that my class is going to finish. Okay, next topics of vertebrata. In the next class you should be fresh and with a complete good mind should become over here, because vertebrata is very very important, children. Okay, I'm saying now only. Okay, your homework is to learn the difficult words, outline the difficult words over that, whichever you don't know, like the echinodermata is there, like platyhelminthes or Sapoda. You can't repeat properly, children. It's why in the textbook you underline, you don't have. From that only you learn. Okay, learn the Protista, Monera, Fungi, Antia. All the four you should learn, children, and write in notes. Okay, let's say homework. Date Tuesday. Okay, homework is done. See you in the next class, children. Hope you all understood my explanation. Thank you. Share it, like it, comment it, subscribe my channel. Okay, tell most of the students to join my class, see my videos. They'll be helping. They are able to understand my studies, my classes. Over here, physics, biology will be definitely taught, and chemistry I'll be explaining one topic of completely. Okay, don't worry. Chemistry. Thank you. Hope you all understood. See you in the next class.